So that he was just putting that on the record. The hostile stuff comes up later. The bottom line is, this is the point you were talking about, Michael. The prosecutor has to be careful here, right? Just because the door is open doesn't mean you run through it. And the judge sort of warned her, and to your point, Pryor's going to be ready to pounce. It's a little bit unpredictable when you have a witness that is definitely trying to win the case. You know, he's a lay witness, a realtor, but you can tell he's up there fighting for the state. Sometimes that's not what you want for a witness, correct?
I didn't like that about the witness. When he gave that answer, I grimaced, right? It was highly unprofessional. That's not your opportunity to be a comic. If you want to be a comic, there's a comic circuit. You can go try your hand at being a comic. Very, very, very difficult. I've seen many people try it. Not in a murder case. He was trying to be whimsical. He was trying to be... What business do you have? First of all, you didn't sell John Pryor the property. You just found out about it, and then you looked at him in a question not related to him owning the property and saying, you should tell me you own the property. That was highly, highly, highly unprofessional, highly, highly distasteful. I didn't like it at all. And that's not just me as an attorney who's been in a courtroom who's had witnesses try to be comical. It's not that. I don't think I've ever seen something like that, right? So, knowing John Pryor, he's going to have an answer. He's going to have a very crafty response. Sometimes you give the prosecution enough threat to hang themselves. Maybe this is part of it. I mean, this guy has been very impressive. I was not sold on him at the beginning of this trial. I heard you saying something like, he's a very good attorney, and you disagreed with me when I said he might not be the right attorney for that case. My assessment ended up being completely incorrect on that one. He's doing a good job.